Hello, my name's Steve McGrady. I'm here to talk to you about an interesting subject for me. I hope it's going to be of some value to you. I'm going to talk to you about business processes, a dull subject, I know, but I'm going to try and persuade you that they have two unique values. One is that they can help solve trade-offs. Trade-offs are a big problem for most managers, and maybe they can also help solve a mystery, but I'll get to that in a minute. So what trade-offs do managers deal with, and why are they trade-offs? Well, the classic one, many of you may know from the field of project management, is the trade-off between time, cost, and quality. In most projects, we have a fixed set of deliverables. There is a quality that we're driving for, and when we hit problems, we either extend the time or we increase the cost. Neither of those are desirable. Lately, we've moved to agile techniques in projects. Projects that are agile fix the cost or fix the time, and then the quality changes. We will reduce the deliverables to try and fit within the timescale available. If we use business processes as a way of describing activities in an organization, we can come up with a whole sequence of things that we do, and we can measure them. We can measure the time, we can measure the cost, and we can measure the quality. In this moment, when we're not running the process, when we're redesigning the process, if we look at what the time, the cost, and the quality measures are telling us, it gives us an opportunity to improve. The strange thing about process is, if we focus on reducing the time, it doesn't do the normal trade-off. It doesn't increase cost, it doesn't reduce quality. If we reduce the time it takes to run a process, we can reduce the cost and increase the quality. We break the trade-off. But you only get that opportunity in the design stage. As soon as we're running the process, the trade-off plays again. How does that work? Well, if we ask the question, how can we do this faster? How can we reduce the time it takes to conduct a step? We may reduce the number of things we do. It may mean we spend less time, we use less resource. If that's true, we reduce the cost. If we're doing less things, if there's less complexity, there are less things to go wrong. That increases the quality. So simply by trying to reduce the cycle time or the lead time of a process, we can reduce the time, reduce the cost, and increase the quality, but only when we do the design. How can it solve a mystery? If it can solve a trade-off, can it also solve a mystery? Here's a mystery. A CEO has received complaints that suggest about 4 out of 10 of his customers are unhappy. He's asked each manager, where is the problem? And they've all said, not with me. I'm achieving a 90% quality level. The CEO can't understand where the problem is. Can you? In our training course, in our Business Process Analysis and Modeling training course, we will ask you, where is the problem? Why is there only 60% satisfaction from the customer when every manager in the stage of the process tells the CEO he's achieving 90% quality? There is a very simple and powerful answer, but if you want to know, you'll have to come and join me on one of the courses that we're going to be running in some very exciting and luxurious venues around the world, Business Process Analysis and Modeling.